Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove vocals from the song for completely free, and you can do that online. So you don't have to install any software and you can use it on PC as well as on Mac device. So let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to watch similar useful tech videos. Just for this tutorial and to avoid any copyright issue, I am going to use the audio clip from one of my video. Just consider it as a song. Here is the clip. Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I am gonna show you how to make Spotify playlist private. So watch the video till the very end because I will show you two methods to make the Spotify playlist private. So let's get started. Now we are going to remove the vocals from this clip. To do so, open the browser on your PC or Mac. Now go to splitter.ai. You will also find a link in the description. Splitter.ai is completely free to use. In fact, you don't need to register as well. Splitter accepts audio files in the various formats like WAV, MP3, OGG, M4A with a file size up to 500 MB and length up to 20 minutes. Here you will find the option to choose the model. The fast stem model can extract the vocals, drums, piano, bass and other, while the two stem model extract the instrumental and the vocals. So in this case we will select the two stem model. Now click on drag song here and it will open the file upload dialog box. Just select the audio file from which you wish to remove the vocals. Here you might get the pop-up for donation. Just cancel the pop-up if you don't wish to donate. Now website will take some time to process the audio file. You can click on My Uploads to check the status of the file. If the file is ready, click on Download button to download the processed file. The file will be in the zip format. Just unzip the file to extract the contents. Here you will get the two files, accompaniment which contains the music without the vocals and vocals file which is basically a file with the extracted vocals from the audio file. Let's open the accompaniment file. As you can see, the vocals have been completely removed and only music is remaining. So that was the short tutorial on how to remove vocals from the song for free. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.